In this video, I'm going to show you how to change time zone in the Webull app. Now, to do this, you'll have to first access any of your charts. So I'm going to go to Markets at the bottom, tap on the second button, there we go. Then I'm going to go and search for a symbol, and I'm just going to open up the Tesla stock over here. Now, once you are on a chart, of course, it can be any chart you want. At the bottom right of your chart, you can see there's like that icon where there's like 4 squares. So you want to tap on that just next to candlesticks. It's where it says daily, weekly, monthly, and then to the right of that. So tap on those 4 squares. There we go. It's going to open up Chart Toolbox. And here you want to tap on Settings at the bottom right. And inside Settings, if you scroll down a bit, you'll be able to find the time zone over here. Okay, so it's under Chart Display Settings. Tap on Time Zone, and from here, you can change the time zone to whichever one you want. For example, if I want it to be like a different one here, I can go ahead and select to Central European Time, tap on it, and that's going to change my time zone. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.